Hi everyone. If you are starting or running your restaurant, focus on experience, not just food. While good food is essential, it is the entire dining experience that sets you apart. Analyze your competitor. Is their service slow? Train your staff to be attentive and efficient. Do they lack ambience? Create a unique atmosphere that reflects your restaurant's theme. Make your restaurant a place people want to linger and enjoy, not just grab a bite. Market your strength and fill local gaps. Don't just try to outdo everything your competitor offers. Identify what they lack and what your restaurant excels at. Do online research and see what customers are saying about both places. Is there a question or dietary preference your competitor doesn't cater to? Highlight your strengths and cater to unmet needs in the local market. Build loyalty and online presence. Positive word of mouth and online reviews are crucial. Train your staff to provide exceptional services that keeps customers coming back. Actively manage your online presence. Respond to reviews, both positive and negatives, and use social media to showcase your food specials and events. Create a community around your restaurant and make customers feel valued. Thank you. Follow for more.